Well, Brayden, first of all, congratulations, another Euro final call-up. Just how special is that for you again?
Yeah, I'm really happy, to be fair. Every call-up, it's a brilliant feeling. So, yeah, especially for a major tournament like this, which we're hosting, it's a brilliant feeling.
I guess it's even bittersweet. You are the first player to represent Cymru in 3 age group Euro finals. I guess that's just equally as special.
Yeah, I didn't really think about that, to be fair. And I saw it on one of the articles, and I thought, yeah, it's a big achievement for me and one that I hold proudly.
Touching on the previous 2 Under-17 Euro finals you've been a part of, how would you sort of look back on them and reflect, Ely?
They were 2 very tough tournaments, and not just me, but the whole team. We had a lot of learnings from it, and especially with us, we've got 1 under our belts already. We know what to expect, whereas the previous one we maybe didn't know what we were going into. So yeah, I think that's important. We've got that experience under our belt.
You touched on the experience there. You obviously played in the previous ones. We've got a few lads in the squad who've played in those tournaments as well. I suppose that's only going to help you guys gel and be best prepared for what's to come.
Yeah, because we've all developed over the last 2 years since the last tournament, and I think that puts us in a great position for this tournament, and hopefully we can produce some very good performances.
Looking ahead to this summer, we will be in Wrexham. First time Cymru have hosted a men's age group tournament. Just how special is that for you as players, playing in front of the red wall?
Yeah, it's a brilliant feeling, not just for me, but the whole team. And yeah, I think it's one that we all, when we were younger, we dreamed of, playing in front of fans, and especially our own fans. Yeah, we just want to do them proud.
Chris Gunter is the manager leading your side in this summer's tournament. It's been a bit of an interesting connection. So your father used to play against Chris Gunter back in the day. I guess that's a bit of a weird thing, how things can change and how things can quickly turn around.
Yeah, it's like you said, it's a bit of a weird one, but it's brilliant because I go to my dad for advice, and especially with Guntz, he's played at such a high level. It's nice to have those people surrounded. So yeah, it's brilliant, but it's a weird one knowing that my dad's played against him. And
touching on your father, how big of an influence has he been for you? Because again, he's gone on and done great things in his career. I guess you're just trying to learn as much as you can from him.
It's brilliant having someone who's played the game, especially my dad, and it's so good going to him for advice, and also the ups and downs. He's been through it as well, so it's someone I rely on a lot, and yeah, I'm so proud of him for what he achieved in his career, and he just wants me to be the best I can be. A
tough group ahead to start the tournament. Obviously Spain, 9-time winners, Denmark and Germany are previous winners as well. Just how excited are you to be facing those top teams?
Yeah, we're all excited, and we can't wait to get going. Like you said, it's a tough group, but it's one that we want to attack, and we don't want to defend these games. We want to go into them thinking, yeah, we can win these games, and we've got full belief in that, and we know the quality in our team.
And finally, we're just a couple of days away now from the opening fixture. Just how excited are you, and how special will it be walking out at the racecourse in front of all those fans?
Yeah, I just want to get going now. I don't want to wait that long, but yeah, I've just got to keep preparing and prepare to my best ability, and hopefully the result takes care of itself. But the most important thing is the performance, and then yeah, we'll see where that takes us.
Thanks, Brayden, and best of luck.
Thank you.